Hello, this is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Tuesday, March 22nd. Well, there's a couple things we want to do tomorrow. We want to go ahead and start exiting some positions. I want to go ahead and exit the RUT. A lot of these I did later on in the afternoon. As we were up 130% on that, I took a profit there on the RUT. We got in at $1.70 credit, getting out at 40 cents debit. So that is 130% of what our profit goal is for the month. Exiting Apple with by buying back the May 90 call. Selling the May 90 call. Got in there at 12.25 and got out at 17.40, and that's a 42% increase. And then I thought it was prudent for us to get out of the SPY March 4 199 call, and that's a weekly with 195% profit on that. So three excellent trades. Go ahead and take profit on those, as I think I see the market softening a little bit. And so if what you want to do tomorrow is just go ahead and exit these. And you want to actually, what you're going to do is you're going to buy back the bull put on the RUT and then go ahead and sell the calls on the SPY and Apple. So that's our actions for tomorrow. Remember, that's not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a registered investment advisor or a licensed broker. Information and videos found on this site are for educational purposes only. First thing I want to do is go over the new list of financially strong stocks for 2016, and I'll do this right in the beginning, so you can get to this point on the recording and stop it and copy these down. Basically, there are six that we're dropping off the list from 2015. That's Baxter, British Petroleum, eBay, John Deere, Johnson & Johnson, and Qualcomm, and I've added Clorox, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Pittsburgh Plate Glass, Procter & Gamble, and Starbucks. Now, all you have to do is come over here to the watch list, click on the little diamond down here, and when you do that, you come down to edit, and what you do is you come over here and you're gonna put in the new signals down here, new symbols, and then move them up into the position, and then go back and remove all the old signals and go ahead and save that. And once you have your watch list, it's gonna be good until next March, when I have the 2017 financially strong list. Let me bring up that list one more time so you can take a peek at it. We've got Amazon, Amgen, Apple, Cisco, Clorox, Coca-Cola, Corning, Danaher, DirecTV, Disney, Gilead Science, Google, Home Depot, McDonald's, Microsoft, Nike, PepsiCo, Pittsburgh Plate Glass, Priceline, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, and Verizon. You'll notice in the list I don't have Cisco because it's only $28 a share, and you don't get a lot of leverage on that. Anything under $50, so that's not on the list. The big boys I have that I use for theta trade are Amazon and Google, and of course the RUT. But the rest are included here on my watch list. Okay, well, what I want to do is go ahead and exit AAPL. As you'll notice that AAPL came up here to the 161, had a pullback, bounced off the 13-day exponential moving average line. Call this a trampoline. Got a real nice move there. Came up to the 261, and it's also at the +1 on the regression channel. I think this is a great time, prudent to get out and take 42% of profit off the table on our AAPL. Let's take a look at the RUT. As I've been waiting for a good time to exit the RUT, but it's just continued do nicely for us, but right now it's close to the 127 on our Fibonacci's. It's up to the +1 where it's seen some resistance before. I didn't, as we were going in here, I thought a bull put made sense because this was very strong. You can see the ribbon was very strong. We did have a pullback, we did have a trampoline, but I think it's prudent for us to get out of there right now as it's starting to get a little choppy, similar to what it did up here and what it did up here. And I wouldn't be a bit surprised we're going to have a little bit of drop here. So getting out of the RUT with 130% of what our potential is an excellent trade. The last one I want to talk about is on the SPY. We got into the SPY quite a while ago. Actually right around here when it made it confirmed a double bottom, and the ribbon was going strong. We got in there and we've taken it all the way up. At this point in time, it seems like it's channeling. It's getting it's neither going down or up, but when it channels like that, it could be rolling over here as we approach the previous highs. I'm kind of neutral on the market right now, so I think it's good for us to go ahead and take that 195% profit off the table. We will still continue to have our directional trades in Danaher. Danaher had another nice day today, and it's continuing very strong, but it's getting to the point where we might be wanting to take profit off there. I'm looking at Disney and saying, well, this is kind of going sideways. I think it makes sense to maybe exit that. We'll maybe give that one more day. Had another nice day on Gilead Science, so we're just going to continue to hold that. And Microsoft was up just a little bit today as that ribbon is going up strong. Even though John Deere is off the list, so I'm going to continue to watch that. We currently have a put on John Deere, and we'll continue to watch John Deere until we get an exit on that. But you can see how John Deere has come down, had a ready, set, go, then came up. It's about ready to cross over the ribbon as we have another ready, set day, and I think a put on John Deere is an excellent position. And also Verizon is starting to show a little bit of weakness here. So we're left with a call on Danaher, Disney, Gilead, and Microsoft, and puts on John Deere and Verizon. Go ahead and exit the RUT, the SPY, and AAPL. And that is my blog for tonight. Come on back tomorrow night. Bye-bye now.